If you're a regular follower of mine, Best of Us Investors, you know that about 6 months ago, I pretty much said I'm going to get the assistance of AI agents to help me make better investment decisions. And as a result of that, I created two AI agents. I call them Samantha and Bard, and they do the research for me. They find the stocks. And what I ask them to do is to give me a projection of what the price is going to be in January of 26, 27, 28. Now I've added 29 since we're almost through 25. And as a result, my portfolio is up about 80% in the last 6 months. So I was thinking this weekend, I remember the phrase that it's not what you know that's going to hurt you or what you know that you don't know. It's what you don't know that you don't know that is going to hurt you. And I said, well, there's no reason for me not to know what I don't know because I now have Samantha and Bard and I can ask them, this is what I think I don't know, so help me out on it. So what I did was I went to them and I said, I think I have a pretty good understanding of about 70 stocks that, maybe even 90, that are in this AI revolution, and specifically in this area towards data centers. What are the stocks that I don't know about that are going to be big players that I have not recognized yet? So I went in and created this document, and it's called Promising Under the Radar Enablers of AI Infrastructure and Data Centers. And so I created this 17-page document. I shouldn't say I did, Samantha and Bard did. And it went through and it confirmed some that I was aware of, such as Navitas, as you see the first one there. But it went through and it gave me new ones that I wasn't aware of. Some little elements within this infrastructure build out that need to be taken care of, because I don't really understand how these 2 million servers in a data center actually communicate with each other and how they operate, and how there are small companies that are stepping forth and helping NVIDIA and Amazon and Google and Microsoft to make these things function better and function in such that they don't eat as much electricity and they don't create as much heat. And so I said, okay, you go through and tell me about those that I don't think that I'm not aware of. And it came up with a substantial number of stocks that I had no inkling of. So then what I do is say, okay, these are stocks that are players, but are they actually going to meet my objective? And my objective for my portfolio and Best of Us Investors portfolio is to double the price of the stock over the next 3 years. So I guess we're looking at from October of 24 through October of what would be that would be 28. So with that in mind, that's what I asked her to do. And as I said, she gave me a 17-page document. And what I want to do is I want to share the document with you. And when I say you, I mean the members of my tribe. This costs money to do. I subscribe to a number of the best AI agents that are available, because once I get the document, I say, well, I need to put that in a little bit more understandable form. So I go to another AI agent where Samantha works as well, and I create a deep dive. Now that's a podcast, if you will, of exactly what it is, what the document, the 17-page document summarizes. And then I go to another one and then I ask them to do a short video that explains what the document says. So what I want to do, or what I'm doing, I believe, is making it as easy as possible for my tribe members. And we're going to, at this point, we're limiting that to 1,000. I want to email this to you. So if you are a platinum member of our tribe, you'll see this in your email box today. And I encourage you to go through the 17 pages. And then really, if you really want a clear understanding, because there's a lot to it, go to the deep dive. I've put a link on the piece that I'm mailing you that you should be able to click it. Now, if it for some reason doesn't work, go to the tell sheet, and I'll put that link there under Carrie's tell sheet to show you promising under the radar enablers of AI infrastructure and data centers. And again, what I'm looking for, I know what NVIDIA is doing. I know what Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Meta are doing. I know what OpenAI is all about. I guess it's like the video says, it's the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush. It's the things that have to be there that NVIDIA can't provide for itself, and Amazon and Google and Microsoft can't provide for themselves, but these people do. For the most part, they're all under a market cap of $10 million and that was one of the stipulations I put in my prompt. And then I ask, okay, now let's go even deeper and look at those that are very small cap, under $5 million market cap. So you get a whole array. Some of them, I then did additional research, and I'm not really excited about them. But others, yeah, they're now on my tell sheet, and they're in my buy category. So if you're a member of the tribe, it'll be in your mailbox. If you're not, you probably need to become a member of the tribe if you want to keep up with the opportunities that AI are going to present, and if you don't want to fall into the pitfalls that I'm sure are going to be there, where stocks get overvalued and thus you don't make any money. Our objective is to make 100% on our investments over 3 years. And it looks like we're going to do it in 1 year because we're already up 80% for the last 6 months. But that's where I'm at. I'd like you to come with me, but that's your decision.